What's good, y'all? It's your boy Frank the Tank Fitness, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, man. Today, we got a fresh, so clean workout video for y'all today, man. Today, we're gonna go up to Hoover Dam. We're gonna do a workout. It's gonna be an intense workout. It's gonna be a lot of work. I'm gonna be sweating profusely and things of that nature. So, you might see me mic'd up, but you might not see me mic'd up. You know, I'm gonna have my shirt off working out. So, today, I didn't get a chance to get in the 21-day challenge for this month, but next month you will definitely see me do the 21-day challenge for July. But I actually got me this instant protein shake and meal. Basically, what it's going to do is going to help me really slim down, really help me get more workout and get me more active. I actually took this 2 years ago. It actually did give me wonders. What I did for the workout was actually I just took the shake, did 6 minutes of work, like a push, like I did as many push-ups as I could, and then took a break. And then I just continued to keep doing that, and then I started eating right and things of that nature. So you're definitely gonna see me on this workout plan again. You guys enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe. We almost at 700 subscribers. Let's get to 1,000 and let's keep working. Fight!
Shoot down at the bar. 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 Bitch! Fuck, nigga! Let's go!
All right, y'all. So we made it up here at Hoover Dam. So we got some workouts going on. It's not a lot of people up here today, which that's a great thing. So we're gonna do 25 push-ups. Then we're gonna do 25 push with the ball. I actually have my basketball here with me. And then we're gonna run the stairs down and back. So this is about to get lit. So let's get it. All right, so the next exercise we're gonna do, sets of exercise. We got jump rope, so we're gonna jump rope for a minute. Then we got mountain climbers for 30 seconds. And then to top it off, we got side to side with the planks. So we're just gonna jump to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. We're gonna do that for about 30 seconds. Hey man, let's get it, because you know this shirt finna come off in a minute. So let's get it. Pain in my legs, in my legs. I don't care. I like it there. Pain, pain in my core. I don't care. I like it there. Let's go. I told y'all the shirt was coming off. So we're gonna do toe taps. So we're gonna do those for about 40 seconds. And then we're gonna go between the legs with the core as well, man. This is a banging workout, man. I wish I had some people come down here and work out with me, but shoot, you know, people can't come, you gotta get it done. So let's get it. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked that video. Hope you guys learned something from me. Man, this is truly a great, amazing. It feels good out here, ain't gonna lie, to get a good workout in the park. I haven't worked out in a park in so long. Like I ran miles at parks and stuff, but this was a good workout for me, man. I needed to be out here. I needed to be outside and things of that nature. So, but in the meantime, in the between time, like I said before, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. When we are in fear, we will always persevere. We about 3 subscribers away to 700. Let's get to 1,000. Let's get to plenty more growth in the YouTube community. Shout out to the people that watch me and supports me and watch me grow on YouTube and just continue to keep grinding, man. That's all it is. But we out. Peace.